Hey guys, today is Tuesday, February 2nd, and right now I'm in my car waiting to pick up my little brothers from school. So it's really rainy, yeah. Jake's asleep.
Finally.
Keep talking.
No, I don't wanna.
Oh my gosh.
What? The worst show ever. Teen Titans Go.
Not
Your
even
not
true.
new favorite show. That is true. And you know it. Buster Brown.
It's
Wait, what's going
entertaining.
on?
Blondie.
Blondie.
You're naked.
No, don't film it.
This is Vlog Nude Edition. Featuring Joel.
Sorry.
Don't film. Okay, thank goodness. But
Okay, thank goodness what?
the return of Slade is the worst episode ever because they don't even feature Slade. It's just an evil clown for the episode.
What?
You're an evil
Yeah.
clown for the episode.
Because they just go out
Boom.
and then they beat up Slade apparently without showing any evidence or footage, and then they walk back and talk about the battle,
Okay, come on, let's go
and then
back.
they get a clown.